So recently, some of my friends complained to me that they were having issues with uploading long form videos on their Facebook account. That whenever they want to upload a video, only 30 seconds of the part of that video will be uploaded. So after helping them with solving the problem, I discovered that so many other people out there may be having similar situation. So finding it difficult to upload a long form video. So I'm making this video today to help those who may be having similar problem, to help them solve it. Alright, so all you need to do is to ensure that you are not making use of light. I discovered that almost all of them who complained to me about having this issue were making use of light, Facebook Lite to upload. So if you want to upload a long form video, you will need the main Facebook version. So I'll be showing it on the screen, the differences, the Facebook version and the Facebook Lite. So you will need to make use of the main Facebook version. So the Facebook Lite is okay. It has its own advantages, like for example, less consumption of data and fluent chatting. So but the problem is, if you want to be uploading long form videos, you will need the main Facebook app to upload long form videos. So ensure you get the main Facebook app and log into it. Whenever you want to upload video, ensure you are making use of the main Facebook app to upload it, to avoid uploading the long form video and only 30 seconds of the part of that video will be uploaded. Alright, so it's just that simple. Just get the main Facebook app whenever you want to upload. Then you'll be able to upload any kind of video you want to upload. Either a 1 hour video, 2 hour video, you can be able to upload it with the main Facebook app. So in my next video, I'll be making a video about how you can manage your Facebook page. That's for content creators, those who have Facebook page. About how you can manage your Facebook page in one app. So watch out for my next video. Thank you very much for watching and ensure to follow my page for more educational videos. Thank you very much.